Today we're going to talk about Gaggenau versus Miele appliances. So two super luxury brands that we do tend to compare a bit against each other. Gaggenau as well, coming out with a whole new expressive line that we're going to get into today. So let's talk Gaggenau.
So who is Gaggenau? The customer, I think they're the customer that really likes tactile function. Gaggenau's always been known for that. It's for someone that really likes to cook, enjoys cooking, kind of gets the concepts of cooking, doesn't need self-guided and kind of be told what to do, knows what to do. As well, somebody that likes visual aesthetic. It is a polarizing aesthetic and always has been. A bit more industrial in its design until the Expressive Collection. Kind of softened that a bit. The stainless got a bit darker in hue, but they've added an amazing, what they're calling pretty much a halo knob,
Yeah.
which is really beautiful and has almost like a rising sun behind it. This orange hue that comes up and down and tells you done this. Still sticking true to its cooking performance, and we wouldn't be talking about Gaggenau if we weren't just talking about that. Truly, truly someone that enjoys cooking. Miele,
Yeah.
tell me a little bit about that customer.
And Miele, historically we've always said it tends to be kind of that contemporary design, but really blends in well in a lot of different kitchens. Even in our Boston showroom, we recently did a really nice traditional kitchen with Miele, and it blends in perfectly there. So not only contemporary, but tends to kind of give you a little bit of that design. But what I really like too is where Gaggenau is kind of, what you see is what you get. That is kind of a design. Miele has some options there. So they have their stainless steel, they have a few different handle options or handleless options, few different colors. So you can really kind of make the Miele what you want it to be with their different designs. And from a cooking perspective, I would say definitely a little bit different as far as the controls, and not necessarily knob driven, but more kind of touch controls there. Now let's really kind of get into the cooking aspect of it. And let's talk about the built-in cooking, like wall ovens, steam ovens, that sort of thing.
So let's talk about Gaggenau. Really, Gaggenau's known for built-in. Built-in is all it really does. So starting at the top, built-in steam oven, really one of its heritage pieces. It's an oven that really relies heavily on rear convection fans as well as a broil element. Great tactile finish again, someone that knows how to use it, but they've added with the new Expressive series a bit of intuitiveness. So it's a combination of touch and rotary in this not even rotary, this new halo knob. Great oven. You can do a lot with it. Bake, well, you can bake, but really roast, convect, as well as steam. Then you get into their wall oven. Great wall oven again, carrying through that new knob design. Side swings are really easy to get in and out at. And then they make things like coffee systems that they're known for, vacuum seal draws, warming draws. So really that's kind of them. Then they get into the cooktop, induction cooktop, gas cooktop, and really hob modular. So again, that whole built-in style, known for quality and somebody that really wants to cook, but wants it beautiful. I mean, this thing is,
Absolutely.
it's a piece of art, really.
Absolutely. And I would say Miele too definitely is known for their built-in cooking as well and have a lot of really great features. Whereas Gaggenau, I'd say, definitely gets you more as far as precise control and what you want to do, like even with a steam oven, really right to the percentage of humidity that you want. I'd say Miele gives you a lot of great control, but they make it a little bit easier and more intuitive. So if you're new to a steam oven, their Master Chef controls are really nice, all touchscreen, but super easy to use. Like if all of us have touchscreens on our phones and things like that. It's really simple as that. So I would say they give you that ability. Also on their steam ovens, what they're really nice about them, they have different options. Taller size options to be able to fit really a lot in there, so really significantly taller than what you find with a Gaggenau. Also, what makes it really easy in their steam ovens is their menu cooking. So if you're cooking multiple items, you have your proteins, your roast, your vegetables, all those, you can set them so they all get done at the same time. So it makes it super easy. It really tells you exactly, put this in on this rack, so really guides you through all that. So also known for, they have great wall ovens as well. Wall ovens, unique features too. They have steam assist in their wall oven. So separate from their steam ovens, if you just have a wall oven, you can plumb those directly to a water line. So depending on what you're making, if it's a casserole to add a little burst, if you're making any meats which tend to dry out in an electric oven, it adds a little bit of moisture there. So even if you don't have the full steam oven, they give you some of those features in their wall ovens as well. And then same thing with them. They have everything from speed ovens, coffee makers are the best in the industry, coffee makers there as well. So give you that full breadth of built-in cooking, cooktops, everything there. And also their induction cooktop is one of the most powerful ones on the market as well. So now as we kind of jump in around from cooking, let's talk about refrigeration a little bit.
So, I mean, with Gaggenau, really, it's going to be known for a stainless steel backed refrigeration system. Truth be told, and I'll steal a little gusto here on the Miele, made in the same factory, candidly. A Miele and a Gaggenau and a Thermidor, honestly. Made in the same, and a Bosch,
Yeah.
you know, in their built-in series. Made in that same factory. So I won't say one has a huge, they all have their own nuances, little details like stainless steel interior versus a different lighting package between the two, so on and so forth. But I wouldn't give one any better than the other. It's probably more you're gonna match whatever you did for a cooking suite conceptually with the refrigerator suite.
For sure. And the one thing I would say for Miele, and this kind of really goes in their entire line, they have certainly more options in refrigeration. They have a 42-inch French door, which you don't have in Gaggenau. So a few different sizes there. But yeah, overall, they're going to be very similar there as well. Dishwashers also is another one that they both have a comparison there too. So talk to me about Gaggenau dishwashers.
I mean, Gaggenau dishwashers, you know, parent company also owning Bosch too, but the Germans actually make this truly. The Gaggenau product entirely made still in Germany. They haven't really brought that over. They're very true to their heritage. It's a phenomenal dishwasher, but by its lonesome, not so often. Again, probably trying to match that finish, that stainless steel finish to the rest of the Gaggenau appliances, but still a fantastic dishwasher in its own right.
Yeah, absolutely. And Miele, I would say this is certainly one of the many categories they definitely shine in is dishwashers. Hard to beat a Miele dishwasher in general, certainly when you step up to their 7000 series and up. Just phenomenal features. Things like the power disc where it kind of has an auto dose to automatically dispense detergent. Don't need to use it, but for those that do, certainly will tell you it's one of the best cleans that they've had in a dishwasher. So really, it's a good comparison there. And then finally with Miele, I'd say that's kind of where the comparison stops for the most part. Miele will give you way more options as far as other items like professional ranges from 30 to 48 inches, induction ranges, dual fuel ranges. You don't really get that with Gaggenau. It's a little bit more of a condensed line, where Miele is going to certainly have a broader line to include way more options there too.
So wrapping this thing up, who's Gaggenau? Gaggenau is going to be that customer that's a hardcore cook, wants something beautiful and unique, and primarily is focused on built-in style cooking. Miele is going to be that customer that really could run the full gamut from laundry to dish to ranges to cooktops to hobs. I mean, a much broader line.
Vacuums.
Yeah, and its style is one that kind of can lend itself to pretty much any type of kitchen you can throw at it. So that's really Gaggenau and Miele.
Like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. For more appliance tips and updates, follow us at social media at Yale Appliance. Stay informed and inspired. This is Appliance Advisors signing off.